To ice fishing we go.
Ice fishing we go.
0 degrees out. Literally 0 degrees out. This is John. He'll be helping us. Ice fishing time. Ice fishing time. Oh, I'm so excited. It's so cold.
That's so interesting.
Oh my god. John, you're fulfilling my dreams right now. Just with this hole alone.
Oh my god.
And then the fish is going to be running line out. So you keep tension on it and you throw the line away as you go. Okay. So you don't collect the line or anything like that. It's just create a big mess.
I stopped being able to feel my feet, so I got kicked out. I only have a pair of very thin socks on. I don't own thick socks. But the guide has a whole setup for us of hot drinks and hot chocolate and hot coffee, which is so lovely. And I'm just warming up in his little heater. And they're outside, actually putting down the rods and doing the hard work. Let me show you guys. Look at them laboring out there. And me here just doing nothing.
Just throw it away from the hole. Yep, there you go. Yeah, keep pulling. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. There, keep pulling.
Oh my god.
Hold it. As you can see, I'm holding it with my thumb.
Yeah.
It's like sandpaper. Okay. And now, the way that we hold it, we stand up like this. Now you get the lower profile. So ready to hold it. I'm so scared.
You got this.
Hold it here.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
That's fucked up.
So he is going to clamp down. It's all it's going to feel like is this. That's it. And all it is just run your finger. It's just going to be like sand. It's going to be.
It's okay. He's just a fishy.
You can't.
You gotta.
I can't.
Yeah.
It's just going to be like sandpaper.
He's a fish.
So just clamp down hard.
I'm so scared.
It's okay, baby. He's a fishy. He can't hurt you. Oh yeah, a true fisherman.
Wow. This is our fish. We get to cook this up for dinner.
What are you naming him or her?
Gibson.
Gibson. Wow, this is crazy. This is crazy. Man versus nature.
This is the best birthday ever.
them damn shoes, girl.
What time is our day over here?
I don't know. When he tells us. Okay, Tifa.
So cool.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah. Where's the front of my towels? They're so naughty.
I don't even have any socks on.
What?
I just have,
Like, are you done?
I mean, I'm done.
Toes freezing. Him, like, super concerned about you. Did he let you keep the fish? Yeah. I'm in the backseat of our car. Like,
This is amazing.
I'm basically an outdoorsman. Basically did all this myself.
Where is it? Where'd you put it? I don't even feel it.
You need to poop, Diva. You want some Danish? Yeah, defrost those toes.
Warm up my foot. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, you're putting it on the top?
No, wait. Come here, princess. You go.
Thank you.
You feel good about that?
Yeah.
You feel better?
Yeah, I gotta pee though.
Yeah, we're peeing in the woods, y'all.
Nice. Let's go catch more fish.
We're so bad.
I'm gonna go take a piss in the corner, I guess. I hope I don't pee all over myself. To that corner we go. First snow pee complete. Let's go make our way back. Whoa! Wow, it's tiny. Wow. This is Cass's first ever snowstorm.
Maybe you don't. Maybe you don't jump on it.
Do you fear me falling into the lake?
Yeah, especially because you can't swim. So.
I don't think swimming would help me if I fell into a frozen lake.
Well, it certainly wouldn't hurt.
You think? Eating Danish. Do you want some Danishes, honey?
No, I just had some. Thank you, though. I think it's a very yummy dish. Right? Isn't that fire? The heat.
Oh! Yippee!
It's official.
Wow! Stunning. So many bass.
Well, the heater's gone out, but we're having a good time. We're 2 fish deep. We've caught 5, but we released 3. That's pretty much the status of where we're at right now.
I'm having a fantastic time. Every time.
Damn it.
Okay. We've been out here for a couple of hours and starting to literally freeze to death in the snowstorm. So we're gonna pack up. Wow. Look at our fish that we caught. We're gonna make them for dinner tonight. Oh, our fishies. Cass is helping him. There are around 13 traps set up all around. We gotta go get those. We gotta go empty the tent. Well, all the rods are gone now.
Fish obtained. We're taking down the tent.
I don't know why you're using the pronoun we. It's all John.
Yeah, John's taking down the tent.
doing shit.
Thanks, John. Yeah, instead of that's all us, that's none of us. King.
King shit.
King shit. Also, all John. Thanks, John.
Putting everything away. Oh my goodness. My hands are completely frozen. John is helping us plow the car. We're stopping by the grocery store because they're advising us not to go outside tonight because of the snowstorm. Time to make our fish. We have to descale and gut them, which is quite intense, so we might fail at this, but we shall see. Ready to gut this fish?
Ready to get this fish.
So you're gonna use the back of your knife, grab it by the tail, Yeah, use the back of the knife, and then you're just gonna, do you see all those scales? Don't do it so hard that it like scrapes off the flesh, like you don't want to see that. Yes, baby. You're doing great, honey. Cass is not having a good time. What's wrong, baby? Motherfucker.
Guys, we're struggling. Oh, hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Cass is taking the guts out.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Good job, honey. Cass is so upset. Yes, baby. Pull it out. Rip it out. Yeah, rip it out. You got this. Yes. These are gonna go inside the fish. Whoa. These are stunning. Wow, this is crazy. They're stunning. I can't believe we caught these. It's amazing.